Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So today I have this lovely Captain Christmas die set. So this is a beautiful nutcracker and it's double-sided as well, and it lifts off just like so, so you can fit loads of treats in here as well. So that just slots back in there, and in today's tutorial I show you step by step exactly on how you can make this gorgeous gift box here. So Captain Christmas, he's from my brand new Toybox collection and I really love this collection. I'm so excited about it. So let's get on with showing you how to make him. Okay, so these are all the pieces you're going to be needing to die cut out. So you're going to be needing to do 2 of the main dies. So this one has the detail in there for the score lines. This is larger than these 2 here, so the 2 of these. As you can see, I'm just going to layer these up. It's going to be hard to see because it's red on red, but these are slightly smaller, so you need 2 of those, and then you're going to be needing 6 of these ones as well. And I've already decorated the top of the box. This was really easy and fun to do, and I'll be showing you how to do the face nice and easy as well. Let's pop those 2 aside. We're going to be working on the walls here and the bases. So I can't remember if I said how many, but you need 6 of these ones as well. So these have the score lines on there already, so we're just going to pop those down, and then we're going to add these along that section there. I'm hoping that you can see that because there's a bit of a shadow where I'm looking, but we're just going to glue those on there. But there is a little notch here on the join, so I'm just going to cut off that notch completely. That's going to help it bend around this inner corner here. It's just going to make it super easy. So I'm going to add glue to these notches there, and then we're just going to keep going around, and every time you get to a place where it won't go round properly because of the notch, just cut that one off and just carry on. So I'm lining this top up here, and then I'm just bending that round, and then we can carry on. So I would like to wait for this top bit of glue to dry first before I carry on adding the rest. Okay, so that is our first side done. Once you've done a couple of these, it will come quite naturally to you. Okay, so the next section, we just need to quickly fold up our score lines again. There we go, and we have this tab here. We're just going to join that onto that tab there with some glue, and I can see we need to lose the 4th one in. So the top is going to be slightly bigger than the bottom because on this one we're going to be adding the strips to the inside, and that should give us enough clearance there for the top and bottom to slide together. So I'm hoping that makes sense. So again, I'm still going to trim the odd tab here and there while I glue those on. Okay, so I have two here. So this is going to be the top of my lid, because the lid basically, because it has all of these sections here, so it's going to be hidden when you take it on and off, which does mean that when you pop this together it does go on the inside, but they do slot together just fine, just like that. So all we have to do now is add our top and our bottom. So let's pop this on there. So I'm just going to add glue now just to the outline of this one. Just going to centre this up best I can. Turn it upside down so I can see the even space all around, and then I'm just going to press that down. Okay, so there is the top section of the lid done. And now let's work on the base. I'm going to do exactly the same. Okay, so there we have the base, and here's the top, so let's slot these together. And there we have it. Okay, so for decorating the back, you can do a complete copy of the front, but in the die set you do get extra pieces here where you can actually decorate the back of the figure as well. Okay, so that is my Captain Christmas die set. I really love this one, and I'm just trying to think of all the treats that I can put in here already. So thank you very much for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you again in my next one.